Hey guys, here is part 2 of Obi-Wan vs. Maul in Star Wars The Phantom Menace. And if you haven't seen it, check out part 1 and our full reenactment. I'm going to have those links in the description below. And if you're new here, this is Mike Starwalker. We reenact fights, make our own choreographies and tutorials. So for more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. If you haven't seen it, make sure to watch our basics video first, so you're familiar with the number system I'm referring to. Alright, grab your lightsaber and let's get started with the Obi-wan side. Start by running in and attacking a 1, then block a 2, block a 3, and then you're going to get kicked. And if you have a really chill backflip, this would be the time to do it, but if not, just step back and dodge a 6. Now you're going to parry a 9 down, spin to your right, and leg sweep as Maul does a butterfly. Making sure to keep a safe distance. Then come back to stance. Maul is going to come in, spin at you with a 3, 4. Then you attack a 1. Then attack a 2. He's going to push that up. Then block a 1. Push that up. Then attack a 4, 3, 2, and it's going to miss. Then attack an 8. Maul's going to push this up. He's going to force stun you, and this is the part where Obi-Wan falls into the pit. Now let's do it once again for the flow. So run in, attack 1, block 2, block 3, get kicked, dodge the 6, parry the 9 down, spin to your right, leg sweep. Come back to stance. He's going to spin in 3, 4, attack 1, attack 2, block a 1, then attack a 4, 3, miss a 2, attack an 8. He's going to push this up, force stun you into the pit. And here's what it looks like full speed. Now for the Maul side. Start by blocking a 1, attack a 2, attack a 3, spin to your right and kick with your right leg, then attack a 6 that misses. Come in attacking a 9, switch to reverse grip, spin to either your butterfly or your B twist, spin out to it to the cocky Maul pose. Then spin to your left, attack a 3, attack a 4, block and dodge a 1, block a 2, attack a 1, it's going to get pushed up, then block a 4, block a 3, duck this 2, then block an 8, you're going to push the saber up and force stun Obi-Wan into the pit. One more time for the flow. So block 1, attack 2, attack 3, spin, kick, 6 that misses, 9, spin to your butterfly or B twist, come out to the cocky Maul pose, spin to your left, attack 3, 4, duck and block a 1, block a 2, attack a 1, block 4, block 3, duck a 2, block an 8, force stun Obi-Wan into the pit. And here's what it looks like full speed. If you haven't seen it, you can watch the full reenactment here and part 1 of this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We really appreciate that. Don't forget to tag us on TikTok and IG if you're doing these tutorials. We love to see what you guys are doing. Hope you guys have a great day sabering, and may the Force be with you.